As we approach COP26, Saltyco wants to highlight how the fashion industry can make the sustainable impact needed for net zero by redesigning their supply chains from the ground up. The existing textile supply chain is fundamentally flawed. It produces far too much carbon, strains our precious natural resources, and sends a garbage truck worth of clothes to landfill or incineration every single minute. A pulse of fashion analysis indicated that 66 to 80% of an apparel brand's total environmental footprint comes from its textile choices. So why is this, and what can we do to change it? All clothes that are manufactured need component materials, and in fashion, we currently get nearly all of these from just 3 sources: plant-based, petrochemical-based, and animal-based textiles. Saltyco looks at how we can move away from these carbon-emitting, resource-heavy material, such as this goose down or polyester wadding, to carbon-negative, resource-light alternatives by harnessing regenerative agriculture to insert circularity and sustainability into our textile production. Take this degraded peatland, for example, which holds thousands of tons of carbon within the ground. Formerly a marshland, it would have originally looked something like this. However, it was drained over 100 years ago to take advantage of the nutrient-rich peat for farming our energy production. Unfortunately, this also means the air-exposed soil began to biodegrade, meaning spaces like these contribute to 20 million tons of carbon pouring into the atmosphere in the UK alone every year. Despite this being a catastrophic situation, it's not too late to try and turn the tide. Saltyco works with farmers and conservation groups to turn peatlands to their former carbon locking states, whilst also creating a feedstock for textile production. This means the farmer still gets a return from their land and is contributing to saving the UK £109 billion from reduced carbon emissions. We work with partners such as the University of Leeds and the Wildlife Trust to ensure that we get our processes right for people, animals, and the planet. Our first product, Biopuff, is a plant-based fibre fill for use as an alternative to goose down or synthetic fillers, and it's made right here in our facility in Edinburgh. Not only does our unique processing technology ensure Biopuff is lightweight, incredibly warm, and of course, incredibly puffy, but filling your jacket with Biopuff could also save up to 30 geese, or reduce the plastic content by up to 70%, all the while sequestering carbon and being completely biodegradable. To find out more about Saltyco, head over to our website at saltyco.uk or check us out on Instagram. Become part of our mission to make all textiles planet positive.